Welcome to the Java Enterprise Edition 8 for Beginners course. Your instructor in this course is Luqman Saeed, a very experienced software developer who's got a vast knowledge in a number of programming languages, including Java, but perhaps more importantly, has also got extensive Java Enterprise Edition, or JEE as it's referred to, experience as well. Now, Luqman has put his knowledge to good use by creating this Java Enterprise Edition 8 course to pass on his knowledge and skills on these topics to you. The course is published by the Learn Programming Academy, founded and created by Tim Bachalka, a teacher and software developer with over 35 years of experience. Tim's goal through his own students and the Academy is to make available the highest quality training to anyone wanting to learn real-world skills in software development. So this JEE course is a comprehensive guide to learning what JEE, or Java Enterprise Edition 8 is, but more importantly how to use it. So it starts at a theoretical level, helping you understand the underpinnings of JEE 8, including understanding the Java Enterprise Edition's specifications as well as the implementations. But then it dives into understanding JEE 8 at a development level. You'll learn about developing database applications using JPA, or the Java Persistence API as it's known, CDU Dependency Injection, writing web services with JAX-RS, which is Java API RESTful web services, securing web services using JWT, or JSON Web Token, but also other things such as server events, writing WebSocket applications, integration tests for JEE components, and loads more. I suggest you check the list of course topics on this page for more information relating to what is included. The reality is though that JEE skills are in high demand, and this course will get you up to speed fast in learning those valuable skills. The ideal student would be someone with a base knowledge of the Java programming language who is eager to improve their skills and master the Java Enterprise Edition, specifically version 8, and that will of course increase their career opportunities. So if you're ready to start the Java Enterprise Edition 8 for Beginners course, then click the Enroll button to get started. Feel free also to preview some of the videos on this page, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.